Ben Claus and Troy Higranes are enjoying their second and third trips to the DuPage Children's Museum. But those giggles might soon be silenced. The Children's Museum, like several area not-for-profit organizations, are running short on money.
You have to think of a non-for-profit as a business. Non-for-profits are suffering, all non-for-profits. Food pantries have seen a drop in donations.
Just this month, Naperville Cultural Center officials say they might have to close if they can't raise some $50,000 by March 1st. Experts say the Cultural Center, Children's Museums, and other not-for-profits are seeing a trickle-down effect from the hard times.
A lot of non-for-profits work off of grant money as well. But grants and foundations have traditionally had their money invested in the stock market.
DuPage Children's Museum officials receive about $2.5 million each year towards donations for the museum. It takes about $4 million to keep it up and running. But the museum's executive director says the problem isn't in the day-to-day operation costs. It goes back a little bit further.
The museum has this singular issue of the long-term bonds we issued to open this museum.
Museum officials have been working over the past 8 years to pay back more than $13 million in long-term bonds that they took out to purchase land and build the 3-story museum. So far, officials have paid about $4 million in the bonds back, but they say now they can't afford rising fees and interest payments on them. This week, museum representatives petitioned the Naperville City Council asking for help, but some city councilmen are saying the Children's Museum has received plenty of grant money.
The city, over a long period of time, has supported the museum with SECA funds and matching grants to the tune of hundreds of thousands of dollars.
The DuPage Children's Museum has received more than $1.5 million in city grants over the past 9 years. They will lobby city officials, along with about 70 other Naperville not-for-profits, for grant money in March. I'm Lindsey Theis for Naperville Community Television, Channel 17.